It's time to address the elephant in the room. Or is it on the roof? I'm definitely not putting felt on my roof. Stay tuned through the whole video to see what I put on, why I put it on, and why you should do it as well. Now cast your mind back to many weeks ago when I was talking all this sort of stuff. Now, this is a real special roof covering because I might be the only person in the world to use this as a roof covering, but you just have to wait for the next instalment to find out what that is. This is it. It's a pond liner. I'm going to show you how strong this stuff is, right? Simple test. I call it the tear test, and I'm going to compare it to a conventional roofing material like felt. Now felt is pretty much what everyone uses. You get it with shed kits. As you know, in a couple of years down the road, you end up with a leak somewhere because the felt is teared or the wind's taken it off or something or other. With this material that I'm about to show you, that does not happen. You have to make sure it's fastened down well, but it's still easier and cheaper than using felt. Here we go. This is a brand new piece of felt. A little bit of force, not much, I'm not very strong, but there you go, tears. That is brand new. It's not really fit for purpose. I mean, we all put it on our sheds, right? This is just like, it's never gonna last, so why do we do it? There is gotta be something better than this to put on your shed. And I think I found the solution, and it's this. This is called Polyex, and it's made from polyethylene. It's actually sold as a pond liner. Now I'm going to try the tear test with this stuff. So here we go, right? This is a bit that I've trimmed off around the sides at the top. It's black on one side and it's brown on the other. I like the brown side up. So here we go. That is tough stuff. That is not going anywhere. That's going to last you for years. It's got UV protection, so it's not going to rot in the sun, and it's great. So I'll put a link in the description for you, and you can go and check out for yourself how much yours would cost, whatever size you need. And honestly, they go from really small to massive. You can get pretty much any size you want. Links in the description, check it out. It all comes in one piece, and that is the key to this ease of fitting. It's one piece. There you go. Mine's 5x4, so that's the one I've gone for. It's about £76. Now in felt, this would have cost me over £100. Over £100 of good money to felt my roof, and that wouldn't have lasted very long at all. And it comes with a aquatic felt. Now I've put that on the roof, as you'll see. Now obviously we're not using it for a pond, we're using it for a roof. So there you go, look, I'm just putting, this is the felt. Now this is trickier than the pond liner to put on because it kind of like sticks to the wood, even though it's not sticky, it's felt, but it grips to the wood. Which I suppose it kind of makes it easier to fit because once it's up, then all you have to do is just then get around the edges and staple it in, which is what I'm doing with a staple hammer. That makes it really easy. I'm laying down because it's windy and I don't want to get blown off. So yeah, so here we go. Now we've got the felt on. Now I'm just unwrapping the pond liner, and this is, I know the angle's not great here, but this is it's pretty much all I'm doing is unwrapping it, and it's like laying a bed sheet. Seriously, I can do it while I'm up there, and it's great. And that literally took me a matter of minutes. Now I know this is time lapse and it's speeded up, but it did not take me very long at all. I think we're talking about half an hour. Now all I'm doing is going around the edges now, tightening it over, clamping it, tightening it, and then I keep going round and round the rest of the structure, and I just tighten it and I pull it so there's roughly an equal amount of overhang each side that I can cut off later. Yeah, that is how easy it is to put on. I mean, if this was felt, you would be up and down for half a day at least.
at least. But this is great stuff, I swear by it. I'll never put conventional felt on ever again. Look at that. Now what happens over time as well, because when the sun heats this up, that will tighten up naturally, so you do not need to get it super tight. Those creases will come out, but it looks great, doesn't it? That all one piece, that will never ever leak.
And that is how you put a pond liner on a roof. I know it's a funny idea, but someone's got to do it and try it out. I mean, the cost of conventional roofing, pretty scandalous really, considering what it is. If you can make a UV resistant material like that, that's going to withstand rocks and aggregates piled onto it for years and years and years, why can you not use it on a roof? It's tough. I've had it on over my decking cover for 2 or 3 years now.
I made this decking area a couple of years ago. Yeah, I know, it's got loads of mess on it, but this is where I've used the thing. So I'll give you a little look at it. This is what it looks like after. Yeah, don't blast me for the mess and the apples. That's a grapevine growing on it. So there you go. Pretty cool. Looks good, doesn't it? And that's after a couple of years. I'm really pleased with it. Fares really well.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.